What's up, everyone? It's your girl Kenzie here from Layton Sports Cards, and I'm ripping a couple personal boxes here. It's a birthday present to himself for Nicholas T. Happy birthday again, Nicholas. Thanks again for spending it with us. And here we go. See if we can continue on with that birthday luck. You had a nice laundry tag out of Flawless earlier. Let's see a Wander redemption, huh? That would be something. Lubob, Pujols out of 149, Garrett Cole. Jazz Chisholm, statistically speaking, Kyle Lewis, Marte, Sano. We've got, picked up two. Rookie ink to 199, Ryan Feltner. Ryan Feltner, rookie auto. We've got Tools of the Trade, RPA, Josiah Gray. That's to 50. Nice looking card there. And we've got Royals, Established Threads to 299, Brad Keller. Brad Keller. All right, got your booklet in this box. Bryce Harper, Rivera, Tyler McGill out of 149 rookie class. Got Corey Seager out of 199. Kowar, Trout, Tatis, and Larizzi. And we've got Absolute Heroes 15 of 15, Thurman Munson. Wow. Game worn on that Munson. That's sick. And we've got to 99, Matt Manning on the rookie booklet. 56 of 99, Detroit. Little M&M there. Matt Manning. All right, solid first box of Absolute. On to number 2. Booklet, I'll save that one. Got Frank Chance, Ty France. We've got a 1/1 printing plate of Ichiro. Boom! That is so sick. There you go, Nick. Wow. Ichiro 1/1 printing plate. That is sweet. Congrats on that one. We'll mag that. Wow. Joe Ryan, Historical Duos. Yadi Molina and Max Scherzer. Royals rookie ink to 199, Dylan Coleman. We've got Quad RPA to 199, Aaron Ashby, Brewers. Yeah, that's a sick one. And Glenn Otto to 99 on the rookie materials. Glenn Otto. All right. Last pack of Absolute here for you. India, Sosa. We've got rookie class to 149, Luis Gill. My rookie class, Shane Bieber. Out of 149, Mookie Betts. Little color match there. Soto, Smith. We've got Boston team tandem of Warren Spahn and Johnny Sane out of 49. Wow. Getting some throwback guys here. Both game-worn used material on that. Look at that. And booklet 235, Davy Garcia on the vet auto. There you go. Nice Davy Garcia. A little bit of damage on that booklet, as you can see on the inside there. That's odd. I have not seen that out of all the Absolute that I've ripped here. I'm going to send a box with you on that one. I'm going to send one of these mini boxes. That should be good. Wow. That's very odd. Have not seen anything like that. Now we've got your Clearly box. Good luck. Never seen any of this in a while. Got Redemption. D-Hop, Eckler. Set that down. We'll save that for last. That's your auto. We've got Michael Carter rookie and Amir Smith Marset. We're going to let it marinate a little bit right there. Antonio Gibson, Patrick Mahomes. So we've got out of this world, Mac Jones. That's sick. Rated rookie of Jalen Waddle and a Ramondre Stevenson. DK, Jared Goff. We've got gold foil of Jalen Waddle. Nice. Travis Etienne and a Pat Freiermuth rookie. Last pack here. Corey Davis, Baker Mayfield. We've got purple Austin Eckler foil. Trey Lance rookie base. And a Josh Palmer. Nice. All right, good luck here, Nick. Let's see what your redemption is. You've got a Ramondre Stevenson, clearly rated rookie auto. Patriots rookie running back there. Nice. All right, Nicholas, that will do it for your boxes. Congrats again. Happy birthday. I'd say that was a great rip for you. We'll get them right out to you.